This is how you cover a wall and a door using acoustic panel boards. Start with the dry run. Measure up with a tape measure to see where each board is going to be fitted. Now you're ready to secure your first one to the wall. Apply your grab adhesive across the back in a zigzag method and up and down both sides. You can add a couple of screws to hold it into position while the adhesive is drying. For a better, more flush finish, I'm removing my architraves. These can be removed with a wood chisel and a mallet. Then you can measure and cut your second piece to go around the top of the door frame. Transfer this onto the surface, score it with a trimming knife and then cut it with a handsaw. Then continue this on the rest of the boards to complete your wall. Now you can turn your attention to the door. This time I'm applying the glue all over the back of the door, making sure that you line the slats up with the board above. And if you want to cover the recess of your frame, remove a couple of slats and fix these into position. To see the full video, head over to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.